too long, do you ever think of me? You always seem to carry on, and now I'm starting to see. Saw your friends and had a penny, I think I've had one too many. Your name comes up on my phone, and I'll still carry it home.